Right, hello everyone, Martins here. I'm just doing a quick video to show you, quick clip to show you how you can do your daily claim of your benefits as they are being released under the new arrangement. Alright, so when you log into your account, say this is home, then you click on assets at the bottom. Then from assets you click on, so from assets you go to N. Then from N you now go down and click on convert. Alright, so you'll be converting. Alright, when you click on the convert button, you will now see where it says exchangeable today. That's the amount you can withdraw today. Alright, my own case is very low, it's 0.1087. So I'm going to type that figure here and just say 0.1087. Alright, and then I'll click on convert. Alright, and then I click on confirm swap, and then you would see it says converted successfully. Alright, so it's been converted, it's to UBX token. Alright, and what I'm getting there is 0.2321. Alright, so yeah, so from there I should be able to now transfer whatever it is that I've earned from my N wallet from N to spots. Alright, and what it is there, it's so little. The UBX that I have there is 0.7. All the ones that I've been claiming. Alright, so one thing you can do is to leave it to be for it to accumulate. But if you have a higher figure and you want to move it to your spot, this is how you do it. So you will now say all the quantity to be moved from N to spot. Alright, so you click on confirm, and then it's now been moved. So you see it says transfer success. Alright, so it's been moved now to spot. So that's it. It's that simple. So if I go to my spot wallet, I will see that I have 0.7392 UBX worth of token. Alright, which so you continue to claim it like that and until it accumulates. And when it gets up to 10 UBX, you'll be able to withdraw it into an external exchange like Bybit or Binance and sell it and trade it for cash. Alright, so that is the way it works. This is Martin signing out. Cheers.